Thanks for watching Rocket City Motors. Make sure to check out the video description for part numbers, kit part numbers, and related information regarding this video's content. If the video helped you, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the thumbs up button for me. Thanks for watching. Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace this fuel filter on a 2003 Yamaha 25 horsepower motor. We're going to replace it with this OEM fuel filter. And you can check the video description for a link to this fuel filter if this fits your motor. Again, this is a 2003 Yamaha 25 horsepower. These things are super easy to change out, and you need to do it probably every couple of years, or maybe even every year if you use your motor a lot. They are directional, so you'll see stamped on the side of the plastic part is an arrow showing which way the fuel needs to go. So make sure whenever you reinstall it in this direction. To remove the old fuel filter, you'll need to squeeze down on these clamps. You can do it with your finger. If not, you can get a pair of needle nose and move it back away from the fuel filter. Once you have those removed, you can simply just kind of twist. You may need to get a screwdriver and kind of break it free here. A small one. Be sure not to mess up the hose. Be very careful not to puncture your line whenever you're doing this. Can be done, but you got to go slow and careful. Another trick you might want to do is relieve the pressure on your fuel line. If you remove your fuel connector and kind of push in the needle, it may help a little bit, relieving some of that fluid pressure in there that may be pulling a suction. See, that came off a lot easier once I did that. So that may be the best thing to do. Now we're going to replace fuel filter with the new one. Again, check the video description for a link to this part. So on the new one, it has an arrow as well. The old arrow was going from the front of the engine to the back, so we're going to replace it in the same orientation. So simply slide it in where the old one used to be, and do the same on the forward end. Bring your clips back forward. I can do these with my hand. You may have band clamps or something like that may take a screwdriver, but there it is, and you've installed a new fuel filter. If this video helped you out, please hit the like and subscribe button for me. Thanks for watching.